Adding a blog post in WordPress using the block editor. First of all, make sure you're logged in with the left-hand column in the admin. Click on Posts and Add New, so you have the Add New screen. When I'm starting to add posts for the first time, I like to check my screen options to keep it as clear as possible. So clicking these dots here, going down to Options, you can see that I have removed everything apart from what I need, which is the permalink, categories, featured image, and excerpt. And I'm using the Edge theme, so I've kept the post formats there. I can then close that and add my post title. Start writing my introduction, which I can style using styles here, or I can add another block, such as an image, adding the image from the media library, and again using the styles here to start. I can move it above my text or below. I may want to add another paragraph below that, so I can either use the black add block here or the blue one that I used before. Add my paragraph and start typing or paste in from Word or text editors. Once that's done, I then go and check my settings. I've got the block selected here, so it's showing my block settings, which I'm happy with, but I want the document settings. I want the post format, in this case to be audio, so I'm going to select audio there. I can add my categories in here, selecting the ones I want or adding new. Set a featured image to show on the overview page. And if I also want text on the overview page, it goes here as well. My settings are done. I need to make sure that I add my audio, so I go down to the bottom and open the audio format, pasting in from SoundCloud or other audio services. And my post is ready. I publish.